Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you step by step on how to make money online for free. Like on my previous video I told you guys that I'll show you how to make money online without paying a dime. So that is what I'm going to show you in this video. So it's better you stick around this video from beginning to the end so that you don't miss anything in this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now by hitting the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. All right, so I'm going to show you how to make money online by completing simple tasks. You're not going to pay anything. This is free registration. All right, so you can check the link in the description of this video below, then follow the link and get to this platform that I'm going to show you right now. So when you follow the link, you're going to land on nairaworkers.com. okay, nairaworkers.com. This is a platform that when you complete a task you get paid. Okay, you're not going to pay anything for registration. This is free registration. Okay, so here is a platform. It says register and login. Okay, so I'm going to click on login now to log into my account. So for example, if you want to register, just click on register. All right, so you're going to enter your first name, username, password, email, referral, confirm password. This referral is optional. If you want to register, make sure you use my link, okay, as your referral code. All right, so I'm going to log into my account right now. So I'll click on sign in to log into my account. Let me show you how to complete this job now so that you'll be getting paid anytime you complete a job. Okay, so it says welcome. This is my username. It says welcome next week. All right, so I will go for available jobs to say the available jobs that I need to complete and get paid. So I'll click on available jobs. It's loading. Okay, so it's gonna load right now. You see the available jobs that you need to complete and get paid. All right, okay, yeah, it has opened right now. So it says available jobs, always check back for more jobs. Okay, this is WhatsApp TV. So you get 7 naira 20 kobo for this job. This is forex training, WhatsApp only, that 5 naira. This is what you get when you complete the job. This is the live trading class. Okay, you get 35 naira. So this WhatsApp group, 100 naira weekly free. You get 7.7 naira 20 kobo. Alpha TV, you get 7 naira 20 kobo. You get 14 naira 40 kobo with this one. Okay, for example, let me see this YouTube now. So I'll click on view job. Okay, let me show you how to do that. Okay, all right, it says that this is the job. This is the job. What is expected from workers. Click here or copy this link to your browser to subscribe. Require proof that task was finished. Okay, your name, screenshot that shows you subscribe. Okay, so this is what you are going to do right now. So I'll copy this link now. Then just right click and copy. So I'll go to my browser and paste it. Okay, paste it, then I'll send it. This is a YouTube link. It's gonna open right now. So it says your name. Okay, so you need to finish this job, right? Okay, so when you subscribe, you provide your name. Okay, so let me open it. All right, so I'll just click on subscribe right now. So I'll click on subscribe. So I have subscribed right now. So the next I'm going to do is to screenshot it now. So let me screenshot. I've screenshot this job now. So what I'm going to do now is to provide the screenshot by providing my name and the screenshot also here. Okay, so I'm going to select that on my system. Okay, so I'll click choose file. Okay, to choose the screenshots of the job I did. Okay, so I'm gonna choose the file on my system right now. Yeah, I'll now type my name here. That is the name of my channel. Okay, the name of my channel, Netpreneur TV. Alright, so I'll now click on submit proof. Alright, so click on submit proof. Is loading. Okay, so this is how you can be doing this job and be getting paid. You're not going to pay anything for registration. Alright, this is step by step. Okay, so after submitting the proof, it says your proof has been submitted and will be verified. Alright, so after they have verified this thing, after verifying my job, okay, they're going to pay me that the amount of money they say that they will pay, which is 7 point something naira. Okay, so that is how you can be, that's how you can be making money on this platform without paying a dime. This is a completely 100% free registration, and when you get 2,000 naira from these guys, then you'll be able to withdraw your money to your bank account. Alright, so you're going to withdraw your money to your bank account when you make your first 2,000 naira with these guys. So guys, this is how you can do it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe by hitting on subscribe button below, and don't forget to turn on the notification icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. If you have any question, kindly go to the comment section and drop your question. I'll be there to answer all your questions, guys. So thank you for watching this video. See you on my next tutorial. Goodbye.